Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and if there's any children watching, this is part 2 of what I call the Great Wall of Taiwan. It does have another name, but we shall call it the Great Wall of Taiwan. Now, as I said, there is a lot of history about this. I probably got some of it wrong, as I said in the first part, but you can always look it up on Wikipedia, but they also get things wrong as well. So what we'll do is I'm going to walk up to where I made part 3 yesterday and keep that section, and then we'll make part 4 as well, and we might get a part 5 or part 6 as well, because there is some other structures of this city. Like, technically there are 4 gates as they refer to it, and I did do a live stream and we did go past a really beautiful gate, which I'll hopefully film over the next week or so. So we'll go for a bit of a walk, and it is such a beautiful view with the mountains there. So as I said, I dare say that they would have had like someone here with a gun and possibly some cannons here. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I think, and I think you probably think the same. But they have remodeled this, as I said in the previous video, and also in that period there was typhoons, because they do have typhoons here, and it is very windy at the moment, so I do apologise if the sound does cut in and out at times, but really beautiful views here. And this is the type of content that I want to bring to the channel, as well as street food and tattoos and anything that takes my fancy. Now, it is very windy here, so apologies again. I really enjoyed going for a walk here yesterday. I didn't complete the walk because I had to go do a few things, but this section I do believe is 2.6k, and I did contemplate doing a live stream, as I said, but it is too windy for that. No, during May up until October they do have these winds, and the other morning it was really windy, and as I said, they've done a fantastic job. I do believe from 1979 and then again in 1986 or 89 they did restoration on this. And yesterday while I was filming, they did have some men there doing some painting work on the steps there. Yeah, they don't have a safety barrier on this section here as well, so I will stick over here because it is rather windy. Yeah, like, I'm actually kicking myself. The other day I did the live stream, I didn't venture over this part, but I thought it was a good stream. I showed this beautiful city. And in part 3 I went into a what I think was where they stored the ammunition and possibly food. As I said, I have tried to get some information, but it sometimes can be wrong what's on the internet. But this was built during the Japanese invasion, and there is a beautiful tank just over here. I do believe that could be a Sherman, but I could be wrong. It's probably some other war machine, so I do apologise if I do have that wrong. Yeah, so yesterday I walked up here and then I backtracked and I went under this section here, which they call a gate. So, and you do see some people doing exercises as well, and it is good. I'm doing a little bit of exercise to keep fit, but really beautiful views here. You know, if you lived here, you could just walk this every day. I guess you might get sick of it after seeing it every day for a few years, but You know, it would be good, 2.6k every morning. Yeah, I do want to get up onto the highest building possibly here and try and do a nice shot of the city. Yeah, there is an old building here. As well, so I don't know too much about that. There is a bit of wind there. Whoops, nearly went for a trip. Yeah, I walked further up and just showed where this little hut is. But it is such a beautiful view here of the mountains, and I hope you do enjoy this. Yeah, it was around about 3:30, 4 o'clock I come and filmed here, and it is before 7 o'clock today. So that's all been redone down there, and there is a temple in the distance. So we'll wrap this section up. So please come and join me in part 3, which is of the original film I did, and I did go inside here, so please check that out. Very good, and I'll just show a bit of the view before we end it. So hopefully you'll hit the likes and subscribe, and we'll see you in part 3, and then you'll see me again in part 4, which I'm just about to film now.